you so much. I think it's a pleasure to welcome all of you today for a very, very important and auspicious event for us in terms of what we're looking at. We look at what is called tractor emulsion. Tractor emulsion is the first point in terms of how we look at an unorganized customer coming into an organized brand for the first time. And therefore, this talks of reliability, it talks of durability, which kind of comes in, and it comes at a very, very affordable price. So we always say that this is something which fits the budget of the consumer beautifully in terms of the way it comes. It is something which Ramayana in terms of what came in, and that is something which is obviously embraced by another female protagonist, very, very strong from a point of view of what has been portrayed in this TV serial. Came in very, very strongly, someone we know as Avani to that extent, and that is something which she came very strongly in terms of looking at what we looked at it. And obviously, you know, she is known as a Pallavi Ramshetty in terms of her real name, what comes in, and that is something which was the second, which was embraced very, very strongly, the second TV serial. The third one, obviously again rated very, very high. I'm repeating, all these are rated more than 11 in terms of the PVR ratings, which kind of come into that extent. And this was something which was again very, very important. This is what we call as the gundenindagudigantaluserial, as we say. That's something which is, sorry for the pronunciation, but that is something which is again a very, very popular TV serial. Obviously, the main protagonist there, the leading star, is Meena. In terms of there, whom we fondly, possibly, that is something which we recall in terms of her known as the Amulya Gowda in terms of her real name, which comes in. So that's how Deepa and Avani as they step in for you right now. Let's go for it in terms of the two stars, the very, very talented coming forward. Adorning us to that extent. So I think I think it's time to really unveil what we have all gathered here for, and that is what we will look at, the Asianpaints Tractor Emulsion GRUHASHOBHA to that extent. So we will just have the unveiling of the Asianpaints Tractor Emulsion GRUHASHOBHA for all of you. We'll just step aside and look at the whole unveiling which comes in and goes on that side, so that we can see and appreciate the unveiling, please. So can we have the unveiling of the star of the night today, star of the afternoon today?
Major role andaaniki idoka nidarsanam. Avada danni kuda daati. She says color is her own strength. Give a big round of applause for this lovely lady. Thank you. So proud of you, Andy. So proud of you. I want to talk to you, ma'am. So meeru ఇంత డైలీ మనం ఇంట్లో ఎలాగైతే వండర్ఫుల్గా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీతో స్పెండ్ చేస్తామో, సెట్లో కూడా ఒక మంచి ఫ్యామిలీ లాగా మనం అందరూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అయిపోతాం, వర్క్ చేస్తాం రోజు. ఒక వండర్ఫుల్ ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ సీరియల్లో ఉండే ఆర్టిస్ట్ అందరూ మన ఫ్యామిలీ అయిపోతారు. సో అక్కడ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్స్, ఆ మూడ్, అది మీకు అది ఎంత ఇంపాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, ఆ కలర్ కానీ పెయింట్స్ కానీ, అంటే సెట్ బాగుంటే ఆ యాంబియన్స్ మీకు ఎంతవరకు ఇంపాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది?
We spend most of the time at our shoots, location, sets. So, అవి ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ లైఫ్ అయిపోతుంది. అది మన హోమ్ లాగా ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. సో మోర్ దెన్ అవర్ హోమ్, సెట్స్ విల్ బి లైక్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తాయి. సో అక్కడే లైక్ ఎవ్రీ ఎమోషన్స్, గుడ్, బ్యాడ్, సాడ్, హ్యాపీనెస్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అక్కడే మేము డే అంతా స్పెండ్ చేస్తాం. సో ఆ సెట్స్కి ఈ ట్రాక్టర్ ఎమల్షన్ శుభగృహ టైప్ అవడం అనేది, ఇట్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది సింప్లీ గ్రేట్ అనిపిస్తుంది.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Deepa and Avani, as we know them very well, Premi and Viswanadhan.
1 minute.
I have Deepa's study, which kind of comes into that extent, and that is something which really works very well for us in terms of training. So I think all of us really committed to bringing joy and happiness into people's lives. Thank you.
So then we can say, no, you cannot have those bedrooms, you can have
Shobha, which is a shade guide which we have lovingly kind of made, and this is something only specifically for Andhra Pradesh and Telugu.